Hello everyone, welcome to Dyness Technical Support Center. Today we'll guide you on how to fix a tower BDU that won't power on. First of all, the names of two parts are often misunderstood. They are the BMS and the BDU. BMS stands for Battery Management System. It's responsible for the charging and discharging of the battery, and it's actually a part inside the BDU with tower's parameters and firmware stored inside. BDU stands for Battery Distribution Unit. It's a collection of key components other than the battery itself. It has a white casing and is located at the top of the tower. Below the BDU are the battery modules, and at the very bottom is the base. We'll cover the basics of the tower product structure. Next, we'll discuss in detail the different ways to deal with these three situations. Not following the correct procedure is one of the most common reasons, so we will show you the correct ways to turn your tower. First, turn the DC breaker. Second, turn the power on-off switch. Third, press and hold the wake button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you hear a clear click sound. If the wake button stays on, it means the startup is successful. Let's look at the second reason, poor contact between the BDU and the battery. Check whether the BDU and each battery module are installed firmly. Also check if the pins connecting the BDU and modules are bent or broken. An unstable module voltage may also stop the BDU from starting. Please use a multimeter to check each module. If the voltage jumps up and down, it means the module is faulty.
BDU will work only after you remove it, and you can contact Dyness after sales to send you a replacement module. And that's how to troubleshoot a tower BDU that won't power on. For more assistance, please contact Dyness after sales service. Thanks for watching this troubleshooting video. Follow the news for your energy future.